So this final video is just to show you how you can set up the LDR and also simulate it so that you can test your programming, especially if you're at home. Okay, so the LDR is found, first of all, excuse me a second, it's found in environmental sensors. Okay, environmental sensors there, and the top one, the mini one, is the one that we use. It makes no difference. But we can bring that across. Remember, I said there's no polarity, so you just join it up. And all I'm going to do is show you one LDR, and then you've got to work out how you would use both to actually make sure that we don't get the sequence of lights happening until both sensors have detected darkness. The flow chart for this is here. This is how it might work. So first of all, it's an analog sensor. So that comes from your analog. And the analog sensor is on A0, is what we agreed. And what this does is sets the range of darkness that it's looking for. And obviously at the bottom, it gets darker down there. So at the moment, it would be looking for it to be dark and giving a reading between 0 and 71. So if we make that 75, okay, and you can put in here a little note how we would set that up. So basically what happens, it looks at the LDR. Is it dark? No. Goes back. Yes, it is dark. And then it sets off the subroutine. Okay, and remember, subroutines are down here. So first of all, you have to set up the name of your subroutine. Put it name there. Okay, and I've called this one LEDs. And then it switches them all on and it switches them all off. And then on this subroutine, it asks again, is it dark? Has it gone light? Okay, so if we look on here now, then it should be from 75, 76 up to 255. So it's saying that is it light? Can't get that close, but you can work on that. Okay, also on the A0. So this subroutine then is fired and it says, is it light? No, it's not. Goes back to the beginning. Is it light yet? No. So it gets light and then it returns back and away it goes. Okay, so that's one way, but how would you set it up so that there are two analog inputs, two LDRs? If we run this now, press the play button, simulate, you can see, look, it's checking to see if it's dark. We simulate that and bring it down to below 75. Then you can see what happens. It then triggers subroutine, and now it's waiting for it to be light. So we take it above 75. And it returns, okay, and then that works with this as well. So if we play this, and now we set the darkness once it's ready to go. Click on that, bring it down, it gets dark, and then you can see it starts the LEDs, and then it gets light again, and they all switch off. Okay, now you've got to put another LDR in there and work out what your program would look like. But don't forget, take screenshots because this is development. This is how it develops. You're explaining each part. Okay, off you go.